Hi, today I will share how to add or install new fonts in Canva. Go to Canva, open any project size, and then go to brand. As you see here, this is for Canva Pro only. Click here, and then click on fonts, and then click add fonts. Scroll down, and then click manage upload fonts. If you didn't download any fonts yet, so find the fonts. For example, I will go to bfonts.com and then click here and type the fonts that you want. For example, I need Nagasaki. Enter. Scroll down here and I will use this one. Now let's see the license. This is free for commercial use. So I will download it. Click here. It is download. Alright. Now go back to Canva and click choose file and then click the fonts file. Click open. And then click confirm and upload. Okay, so now we have it. We can use it or just delete it. Close it, press T on your keyboard, and then change the font. Type here Nagasaki, and you will find it. And you can also start the font. So it will be in the star fonts. Let's CO. This is the Nagasaki. I use this one for creating text masking. So this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.